dance tutorial for Genda Fool by Badshah. Just in case if you have missed out on my live session, don't worry, here is the dance tutorial. Come on, let's start. So before we begin, I want to say that please try and make this routine very graceful and most importantly effortless. Alright, we start off with this nice walk which runs opposite. So right leg, left hand, 1, 2, from here you step your right out, 3, 4. So it's a swing up and sit down. From here you lift your right leg and hop on your left this way, zoop, cross, out, out. Alright, from here you lift your left heel and you push your leg out with your hand to go push front. So your leg is crossed, down, down. Perfect. From here you open, second, open, hip roll. From here, in, in. So he says satak, satak. So in, in. Lovely. From here you jump profile in second position to your left side. So you go jump, out, swing forward, swing back. Very simple. From here you turn your back to go back and butterfly. So right, left. Very simple. From here you come back to your front doing this hand gesture. Body teri, alright. Body teri makhan jaisi. So only the hand, 2 counts. Makhan jaisi. From here step your right leg out. Khane mein hai ye butter, makhan, something like that. Okay. So from here you do this step. You go right over your head and kick right, left. Perfect. From here you step your right leg out and you go Katu, switch teri, ticket, ticket. So again the same thing. In, in. Khelta nahi, cricket, cricket. Just follow the lyrics, right? Then you come forward, forward and wicket, wicket. Lovely. From here we start off with the most graceful part of the girl singing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands graceful, hips graceful, right? You swing it. Woo! Alright. From here you go forward, back, side, back and side again. Alright. इस स्टेप में सबसे जरूरी चीज है to smile. Alright. From here you cross your right leg to go cross, swing, cross, swing. Try to do this loud as much as you can. We finished here and then we move on to the hook step which goes like this. Fast, fast, slow. So this is like guitar, sitar, everything that you have to play. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and profile. 2, 3, 4, back again, 7, 8. That's all. So simple. Do you want me to do this on music? Yeah, let's do it. Because I think lehenga routine actually helped you guys. So let's play it. Come on. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
चले जब तो लटक लौंडों के दिल पटक पटक सांसें जाए अटक अटक आता माझी सटक सटक बम तेरा को देखा है कमर पे तेरी बटरफ्लाई बॉडी तेरी मक्खन जैसे खाने में बस तू बटर खाए कम ऑन बेबी किक इट काटू तेरी टिकट टिकट खेलता नहीं क्रिकेट क्रिकेट पर ले लो तेरी विकेट विकेट
बस ये कर लेना, उसके बाद पीछे पीछे पीछे. Okay. Welcome back to my tutorial. This is for Sapne Mein Milti Hai. Thank you so much for loving all the videos because your response motivates me, like I have mentioned this before. So let's do this It's very simple. All you got to do is follow the lyrics. And for the first time, I know it. Okay, let's go. So you're crossing your right leg. You go, sapne mein open hai o kudi meri. Yeah? So when he says kudi meri, that's when you come feet together. You take a groove and come to your right side, diagonally. Again, to go, sapne mein milti hai shoulder. So you're just dipping back to your position and your hands are changing. From here, the music bit. So you go strong, cross and turn, groove, groove. Repeat, cross and turn, groove, groove. Make sure you keep it strong as well as groovy. From here, again he says, sapne mein milti hai. Now again, kudi meri. You take your right leg in, kudi meri. सपने में मिलती है, one extra है. To go, fan, right side. सारा दिन घूंघटे में, you open, cross and come forward. बंद गुड़िया सी. Alright? From here. होए, होए, back, back, back. Again, you jump. सारा दिन, hands will stay there. Because घूंघटे में, from here, band gudiya si. So right and center, you come forward. Akhiyon mein khulti hai is a drag. Then there's the music. So from here, you go CT, lift your right leg, step, turn, groove, groove. CT, step, turn, groove, groove. To go, tap, up, tap, up. So you're dipping and doing this step to go left, tuck, tuck. Why did I say left? So constantly focus on your left leg. You step and the right leg follows. Left leg will step in your right direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. From here, the girl starts. Now here again there's a continuous dipping happening, but only the hands are changing. So, sapne mein milta hai, o munda mera sapne mein milta hai. Again drag. Then the music comes. Same step that you did earlier. Throw and turn, groove, groove, throw and turn, groove, groove. From here, again they say sapne mein milta hai. So from here you do kick, ball, change, shoulder and shoulder, left side, front and right, shoulder and shoulder. Very simple. Let's play the track and let's go through it again. Ooh. 5, 6, with me, come on.
सपने में मिलती है ओ कुड़ी मेरी सपने में मिलती है.
Go. Groove.
सपने में मिलती है ओ कुड़ी मेरी सपने में मिलती है.
सारा दिन घूंघटे में बंद पुड़िया सी. ओए 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 ओए. सारा दिन घूंघटे में बंद पुड़िया सी अखियों में खुलती है.
सारा दिन सर ਲੱਖ ਮਸਲਾ ਬਲੋਰੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਲੈਣ ਲੈਣ ਕੰਨੀ ਚੁੰਮ ਕੇ ਉਡਾਰੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਲੈਣ ਲੈਣ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਦੀ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਤੋਂ ਮਿੱਠੀਆਂ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਦਿਲ ਲੁੱਟਿਆ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮਾਰ ਸੁੱਟਿਆ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਦਿਲ ਲੁੱਟਿਆ
सपने में मिलती है ओ कुड़ी मेरी सपने में मिलती है
सपने में मिलती है ओ कुड़ी मेरी सपने में मिलती है
सारा दिन घूंघटे में बंद पुड़िया सी ओए 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 सारा दिन घूंघटे में बंद पुड़िया सी अखियों में खुलती है